In front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this OPPO. First of all, you need to locate device's calendar and click on it. Now tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. Following that, you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. I will go with that one. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event from here. Now you can adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Over here you can also pick starting hour or ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can also disable this feature completely by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Now select does not repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every 6 weeks. If you don't, just tap on does not repeat. Now you can click on add location, choose to while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct result. You can also add people, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, take notes, and when you're ready, save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to make some changes, you can always tap on it and click on this pen icon at the top right corner to edit it. Then make your changes and click on Save again. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those 3 dots at the top right corner. Now select Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!